Everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. Today we are looking at a Homelite 330. The serial tag is worn down. I think that's an H. Not an H, it's an M. So late 80s, early 90s, Homelite 330. Based on what I know. In excellent shape. Decal's kind of worn off here. The rest of it, paint is in very good shape. We've got the bucking spike. I don't think this one has cut much. Sprocket is probably original, and that's not a lot of wear. So I went through this, got a few new hoses, carb kit, duckbill valve in the tank, and honestly I think that's all I had to do to it. It's been sitting for a while, but I believe she'll start right up. So let's take a listen. Okay. Like I say, this was repaired a good 8 or 10 months ago, and I just haven't been selling saws recently because I haven't had time. But she's in great shape. This will make somebody an excellent firewood saw.